Yeah. See that? Joey ate the whole thing.
I know, I saw that.
Yeah, I eat all of it.
Uh-oh. This morning of that, it is 9:37. Been up for an hour. Took a lot longer because I was having some trouble with the pancake. We have a whole day today. We're probably going to go outside and play with our little water thing toy that we have. So I'm gonna eat and then I don't know what would be next. We'll see. All right. Let's see if we can plug it in. Climb up.
It's so warm in here.
Okay. Get inside. So this is the thing we got. Sorry, it's a little foggy out here, so the screen might be a little foggy.
That's not hard.
All right. You gonna go? Jackson, go. Go. All right. Woo. Woo. Woo! Oh, it's cold. Alright, so we just got out of the pool down there and it's 12:34 now. So today, the rest of the day, I need to work on cleaning some of my room up here where I like have all my like art projects and just like my little office space. Because I'm going to be getting this, right, I don't know if you can see it. It's this little couch lounger thing from Nebraska Furniture Mart. My father works there, so this is regularly $1,830. I would never spend that much money on something like this, but it's on sale right now for $999. With my dad's discount, I can get it for $717. Okay, he's watching some cartoons right now, but before I clean, I am actually going to go ahead and make some lunch because I'm gonna have to clean those dishes. I might as well make lunch first before putting all of the dishes away. So we have is this bread, but I mean I've used like regular bread before for hamburgers, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and do the hamburgers. I love them the best. So we've got some cheese, hamburger, and then we got ketchup. Which with mine. So my son's still eating some food. Well, it is 1:42 now. Couldn't fit all of my dishes in, but anyways, I had to abruptly stop the video because someone was knocking at the door. I didn't answer because for the last like week and a half now, we've been getting a bunch of like solicitors coming to our house, and we have 2 signs. We have one on our mailbox and then one on our door that says no soliciting. They are small and they're like in the corner, so I guess some of them may not, assuming they may not see it. I don't know. The last person that I encountered, I assume he probably noticed it. But today I didn't answer the door. This is the 5th one in the last week and a half or so. And the one that happened Friday last week, he was very rude. I was planning on answering the door anymore, but I ended up answering it because he actually came like right when I was getting my package. So I thought he was a delivery person, so when I opened the door he wasn't, but because he was first opening like his opener to like introduce himself, he didn't tell me his name the whole time. Didn't tell me the company's name, but the first thing he said was, "I've heard that there's some strange activity going on in your neighborhood." And I just thought that was really weird to say that to someone. Like, I don't know who you are. It really freaked me out. The demeanor he said it in was really weird. Then proceeded to just give me tips that I wasn't really comprehending until he told me that he works for like pests and like bugs and like rodents and stuff. I just thought the way he came off was really rude, and I need to go downstairs, switch my laundry. I need to get dressed because I'm still in like pajamas basically after we went swimming this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. It's pressing all my flowers, so I can't move any of that right now. I got a bunch of stuff from my business that I had in here that I need to go through and try to sell, because I'm not gonna have my business. But this right here, all this shelf needs to go, and that little shelf right there, and then I can just move the little snack tray cart thing over here. That I could probably put underneath my desk. I want to sell that and my Cricut machine too, because I don't use it anyways, so there's really no point. But I'm thinking that the chair will go over here in this corner. That's why I'm tired, so I'm done for today. I have all day tomorrow to get more of this kind of organized. I think something's going on with this camera because it seems to not be focusing very well. Excuse my hair, I still have to do my hair before work, but that's probably all I'm going to be filming for now. Yeah, that was pretty much most of my day. It was not that exciting, but hopefully tomorrow will. I don't know if I might make this a whole week-long vlog, or it just depends on how much footage I have, but for now, yeah, I'm going to go spend some time with my son before I go to work.